What's going on, mother truckers? Welcome to the Asian My Show. So before we get into today's video, I want to let you guys know that we get a lot of mother truckers always asking about insurance and how to get it, because without insurance you're not going to be able to start your trucking business. With that said, I put a small survey for myself so I could get some information for you guys, so I could put together a guide so that you guys can get what you need out of this. I'm sick of people getting ripped off on information they don't know about. So that's why we're here, and that's why we do the channel. And with that said, for this minute survey, I'm giving out 100 mother trucker hats. I've been wearing this one, guys. I mean, I got brand new mother trucker hats, but I've been wearing this one for the last, like, I don't know, 6 months, because this is mine, man. I love it. And if you guys want some signed or whatnot, I could do that too. But let's get back into this video. The link to the survey will be down below. Click on it. Help the trucking community out. Let's get this.
Hey mother truckers, check out the Asian My Show and make sure to keep up with us at El Troquero Models on Instagram.
It's been a while since I've made a video, guys, but I just want to give you the best content that you can get on YouTube for trucking job opportunities. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Alex. I am a truck driver. I know I'm probably too good looking. I should probably be a model instead of a truck driver, but believe it, I am a truck driver, and I'm here. I'm a mover as well. So subscribe to the channel if you get an opportunity to, and get some trucking job information. But with that said, guys, I'm getting a lot of truck drivers asking about these small companies, and one asked specifically about Wizzard Way, and I've never seen that company before, but I'm here to give you the information so that you know what you're getting into. Now, this truck driver has given us all his pay stubs for this year so that you can see what he makes. So let's get into it and enjoy the video.